Welcome to this morning walking meditation designed to fit seamlessly into your commute. As you begin your walk, find a comfortable and safe pace. You may be heading to work, but for the next 15 minutes, focus on being present and mindful. Stand still for a moment before you start. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Feel your body relax with each breath. Let go of any tension and prepare yourself for a mindful journey. Set an intention for this walk. It might be to start your day with clarity, to reduce stress, or simply to enjoy the present moment. Whatever your intention, let it guide you through this meditation. Think about why you chose to do this walking meditation. What do you hope to gain from this experience? Hold this intention gently in your mind as you begin to walk. Begin to walk at a comfortable pace. Feel the ground beneath your feet with each step. Notice the sensation of your foot touching the ground, rolling through the sole and lifting off again. Pay attention to your posture. Stand tall with your head held high. Your shoulders relaxed and your arms gently swinging at your sides. Imagine a string gently pulling you up from the top of your head. Elongating your spine as you walk. Keep your gaze soft and unfocused. Let your eyes take in the environment without fixating on any particular object. This helps to maintain a relaxed and open awareness. As you walk, become aware of your surroundings. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Observe the buildings, the sky, and any movement in the environment. Listen to the sounds around you. Hear the birds singing, the rustle of leaves, or the hum of traffic. Take in the sense of your surroundings. Maybe you can smell flowers, fresh air, or even the familiar scent of the city. Let these sensory experiences anchor you in the present moment. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your breathing as you walk. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils or mouth. Try to match your steps with your breath. For example, take 2 steps for each inhale and 2 steps for each exhale. Notice how your breath changes with your movement. It might become deeper or more rhythmic. Allow your breath to flow naturally without trying to control it. Simply observe it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath and your steps. Each inhale brings in fresh energy, and each exhale lets go of any tension or stress. Turn your attention inward and observe your body as it moves. Notice the movement of your legs, the sway of your hips, and the rhythm of your arms. Feel the muscles working. The joints moving, and the balance your body maintains with each step. Pay attention to any sensations in your body. You might feel warmth, coolness, tension, or ease. Whatever you notice, just observe it without judgment. Let your body move naturally and comfortably. If you notice any tension or discomfort, acknowledge it without judgment. Adjust your pace or posture if needed. and continue to walk mindfully. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm. As you continue to walk, take a moment to cultivate gratitude. Appreciate your body and its ability to move and walk. Be grateful for the environment that supports you. Whether it's the ground beneath your feet or the air you breathe. Think about something in your life that you're thankful for. It could be a person, a place, or an experience. Hold that feeling of gratitude in your heart as you walk. Let it fill you with warmth and positivity. Allow this sense of gratitude to deepen your connection with yourself and the world around you. Let it enhance your awareness and presence in this moment. Walking with gratitude can transform a simple walk into a deeply fulfilling experience. Gradually, slow down your pace and come to a stop. Stand still for a moment, feeling the ground beneath your feet. Take a few deep breaths. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Reflect on your experience. Notice how you feel after this walk. Appreciate the time you've taken for yourself and the mindfulness you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. As you continue your commute, carry this sense of mindfulness and presence with you. Thank you for joining this morning walking meditation. Have a wonderful day.